This plot contains references to gas, as in burping and farting. Viewer discretion advised. I checked the meter.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh no.
What is it?
Just take a look.
Hello there, Mr. Gas Company guy. Oops.
Ara. I think I lost that farting old lady.
Hello. Oops.
Oh no. Okay, I think I'm in the clear.
Hello.
You just appeared.
Yes, I did.
Are you insane?
Yes, I am totally insane. Oops.
Okay. No one can find me here? It's a library, right? Oh no. 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 No.
Would you like to see a trick?
What kind of trick?
This. Oops. Oh, I'm in trouble again, huh?
Yes! But I have one question, Mom. Where do you keep coming up with these lighters and matches?
Not sure, son?
I figured.